Hey guys, welcome back, and we're gonna do an experiment, salt water density test. And for that, we need a glass filled up with water and another glass with salt and one egg. But before that, after I tell you the meaning of density and mass. What's density? Density is mass per volume. And what's mass? And mass is a matter that makes an object. Now let's start the experiment. Let's put the egg in the water. What will you think will happen? Is the egg density or the water density? Well, let's see it. The egg's density, and the egg is big because it's in the water. Now I got more salt. Let's put the water into the salt and stir it with the spoon. So let's put the water and stir it with the spoon. What do you think the egg will do? Float or sink? I think I'll pick float because in the clear water normal, the egg sinks. So let's see. Will it float? It floats. Because why? Because the salt is making the water have more density. And it was fun. And parents, you can try this with your kids at home. And let me know how's the experiment. That's all for today. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned and bye-bye.